Hey guys, so gonna check out a brand new print that's come out of the Peopoly NEX, and pretty excited for this one. It's a brand new sculpt by me, and it's a ice giant model sculpture. So this is the body and the head, and the print took about 16 hours to do at 0.06 millimeters. And print looks good, so let's take it out and we'll have a better look at it. So I've taken the print out of the moai and off the bed, and looks like a pretty successful print, guys. Supports look good, none of them broke off. And you might be wondering what resin I used for this one. So this was done in the Peopoly NEX clear with 2 drops of monocular dye, the color blue. Just 2 drops into around 200 mils of resin. Mix it all up, and this is the lovely blue tint you get with when you mix it with the NEX clear. I really like this color. So I'm going to go ahead now and remove the supports. Alright, so that was a much quicker job than my last couple of prints, which have been massive. Supports came out fine and chopped off easily. So this is before I've washed the print in the ultrasonic cleaner, and we've got some nice chunky crystal pieces, solid pieces up the top here, which look really good. Yeah, very happy with it. So, the ice giant torso has been cleaned in the ultrasonic cleaner, given a little bit of a bath and a scrub, and he is looking great. So you can see the details showing up now in the face. Got all that resin trapped in the cavities out. Great print overall. So we've got the 2 arms and the legs to go. That will be the next print. And that will be a 100mm print, I think. So we'll see how that goes. It's going to push the moai to its limits, I think. Multiple parts on the same print bed, on a single print bed. So there we go. Cool bananas. Looking good.